In Lesson 3, we're introducing a vibrant new layer to your health journey, traditional Chinese medicine, also known as TCM. TCM principles for spring wellness. In TCM, each season aligns with specific organs, and spring is all about the liver and gallbladder. The liver in particular is responsible for the smooth flow of energy, also known as vital qi, throughout the body, making this the perfect season to support detoxification, renewal, and growth. Spring is a time of movement and expansion, just like nature awakening from the winter's stillness. Our emotions, creativity, and digestion all benefit when our liver energy flows freely. Cooking with fresh, light, and slightly sour foods like leafy greens, sprouts, and citrus naturally supports the liver's function. This week, reflect on how your kitchen and meals can help you embrace renewal. Are you making space for freshness? Are your ingredients vibrant and full of life? Let this season inspire you to bring in more lightness, movement, and balance. Download the TCM Principles for Spring Wellness Guide for additional benefits.